So today is the day that we're leaving for Florida.
Yeah, we were anyway.
Except that we're not. Elizabeth has definitely been improving.
Oh yeah.
But we just don't feel like she's quite ready to travel yet for a trip like that. So we're very disappointed. We will still be going there. We just don't know when. We've just had to postpone it until she gets a little bit better.
Yeah, I feel like I'm really on the mend now. I'm getting breath down much farther into my chest. I mean, that really helps a lot. And so I'm looking forward when I feel like it's going to be a good idea for us to travel. Looking forward to being in Florida because I think it's going to be wonderful to be in the warmth and the sunshine. Excuse me.
So we've had to cancel our first reservation down there. We have several different reservations. We're going to different places. So from here on out, we're just going to play it by ear and wait until she's ready to travel, and then we'll head south.
I'm getting well as fast as I can.
And in the meantime, I'm getting my kitchen done.
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's been really working hard, and I've been, supervising as I can.
So thanks for watching. Thanks for your love. Thanks for all the outpouring of love that we've felt. So many people are commenting and saying you're praying for us, and we can't tell you how much we appreciate that.
Very much so. That's for sure.
So all right. Stay tuned.
Yep. Live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
All right. We love you guys, and we'll let you know when we're heading down to Florida. Bye-bye.
Bye.